How are you all? What do you feel looking at me today? Any difference? Yes, don't ponder much. I am with a natural tint today. I am with my no makeup look. For what purpose I have made this is today's video is going to be something about that. In this video, let me explain you how to bring up no makeup look. So at home sheet face mask, how to do that I will explain you. And one thing, let me make sure this is not a DIY stuff. It's just a sheet mask which I bought from Nykaa. Whatever sheet mask you buy, it's just I will explain you. For those who are unaware, you can use sheet mask and at home. How many would be that? Many would have known that, many wouldn't be aware of using a sheet mask. A sheet mask is very easily available at home facial for you. Yes, it's a bit costly. A single sheet costs about 100 in different brands. I don't think, I'm not sure whether there is less than 100 rupees sheet mask available in the market. I'm not sure about it. Okay, then I've bought Nykaa sheet mask and it cost 100 per packet, but it's worth it. Yes, you can reduce your facial amounts. What you spend, facials, they have their own merits. You can get a good massage, everything is there, but yes, this also works. This makes wonder. So still, if you are afraid of going out because after the lockdown and everything, and also for a sudden occasion, you have to attend a sudden occasion and you can't go for a facial, go for a beauty parlor, then this is an easy remedy for us all ladies. Our today's content is how to apply a sheet mask, isn't it? So get your sheet mask. I have bought Nykaa sheet mask, so I will tell you how to use this. The things you have to do while using this is something, a sheet with your face shape kept inside serum. So inside the pack a sheet is kept which is of your face shape and it is placed with some serums. So I have bought collagen plus grapefruit for firm and youthful skin. Okay, I bought this. There are so many variety of flavors in it. Using this, first the serum to get spread over the complete sheet. Do like this because you know serums are watery. So do like this. Then you can cut off the sheet. See what is splashing over? That is the serum. Inside this is splashing over. Then take it off. There is so much water in this. Okay, first, oh my god, I forgot to tie my hair for using this. Before using this, let me do that fast. What I did is, the things whichever I got in my hand I'm using for my neck. Okay, the water whichever I got in my hand I'm using it for my neck. I'm tying my hair. Yes, I'm doing it. Okay, I'm done with my hair. Now let me use this now. So you have to be very careful doing this. Oh my god, it's completely watery. I've used this before but I haven't seen this much watery here. Oh my god. Okay, the shape of my eyes. Not the shape of my eyes, my face. The shape of my face. Okay, well done. It's so cool. Wow, I'm just enjoying. It's so cool. So spread the mask completely over every single place of your skin. Sorry for the darkness in between. Okay, so don't leave it without spreading properly. Spread it properly. It got into my lips. Okay, done. So you may use the leftover stuffs because the serum will be very good and it makes your skin very nice. Don't know, the after effects of this facial is very fantastic. You will know only if you try. Okay then. So keep it this way. Keep it this way for 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, don't lie down. Okay, don't think you can do this and you can either sleep. No, don't lie down, it may cause wrinkles. So keep it exactly, just relax, either sit or stand. Just have a relaxation for 10 to 15 minutes. You shouldn't talk keeping this. So I will meet you after 10 to 15 minutes. Bye. This is gonna do absolute wonderfulness to your skin. So everyone try it out, and it also acts like a nose strip. It removes blackheads and whiteheads a bit, not exactly like a nose strip. It won't remove your blackheads and whiteheads completely, but it removes a bit. So you can try that. So it would be a small scale remedy for your blackheads and whiteheads. Then one more thing I forgot to tell you. I think it's that don't wash your face. Just don't rough rub your face. Just pat it off. After removing the sheet, the leftover serum, whatever, whichever the wetness in your skin, just pat it off. Don't rough rub your skin. Then what else? That's it all. Ladies, please try it out and comment your experience. Comment section. Bye. Please subscribe to us and follow us on Instagram. And thank you for the existing subscribers.